Hello and welcome to a brand new video. I am Silly Kitten and today we are going to be unboxing some Yu-Gi-Oh cards. This is the Duel Devastator pack. I hope you guys enjoy and let's review how the box looks. Very Japanese cherry blossom designs, or Japanese cherry blossom themed is a better answer. This is what the cards will come. The 6 ghostly monsters, 30 ultra rares, and 20 ultra rares for the extra deck. And this is for your side deck. I got this at GameStop. And let's open this side. There we go. Okay, let's get the plastic wrap out of the way. And we have, I'm guessing, some really, well, they are really nice looking cards. Seto Kaiba with his Blue Eyes White Dragon at the very front. These are field center cards. So they show you where to go. This is the backing of each one. So we have Seto Kaiba with his Blue Eyes White Dragon. I do not remember this guy. I know he appears in Season 1. This is one of the ghostly characters. This one is the Ghost Belle and the Haunted Mansion. So that's her. Here is Joey with his red eyes black dragon, I believe. And those are your field center card. Then we have the very first one, Ghost Org and Snow Rabbit. So let me find where to open this. I can't find the tab. I know it opens here somewhere. Oh, it's gonna take me a while. Here we go. There we go. And we will throw these to the side. So, Ghost Gore and Snow Rabbit. It's a Physic and Tuner. It is also an effect card. Then we have the Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries. She is a zombie and a tuner with an effect. I will read these ones later because I want to. And also it's a review. Ash Blossom and Joyous Springs. Zombie, tuner, and effects. Ghost Belle and Haunted Mansion. Zombie, tuner, and effects. I love how shiny they are. Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. This is a zombie and tuner effect again. And this is the Red Blossom from Underroot. She is a fiend with an effect. Then we have our first synchro, Alley of Justice Castor. Then we have the Sea Serpent synchro. Let me put this one up here. Bryonic, Dragon of the Ice Barrier. Metaphys Horus, another synchro. Black Rose Dragon. This will go into my Blue Eyes White Dragon deck again. Clear Wing Fast Dragon. This is a pendulum. Not a fan of pendulum cards. Stardust Spark Dragon. Scarlet Red Dragon Archfiend. I love the design of this one. Trishula Dragon of the Ice Barrier. Sorry for the butchering of names. Vermilion Dragon Mech. And this is the first XYZ. Abyss Dweller. Number 101, Silent Honor Arc. Castle the Sky Blaster Musketeer. Tornado Dragon. Ooh, that looks cool. Underclock Taker. This is the first Link. These are the first time I've seen these ones, Link cards. It's really cool. Land for Rinchus. That I've never heard. That's the first time. Gallia, or yeah, no, that's not Gallia. That's Gaia. Cyber. The Lightning Shadow. That's cool. That's a really nice card. Decode Talker. That looks nice also. I might get into the Link cards. Decode Talker Extended. Topologic Bomber Dragon. Sirage's Skull Dread. I almost said dragon on that one. DD Crow. Oops. Effect Veiler or Viler. Gate Blocker. Denko Sika or Seka. All depends on who's saying them. Inspector Border. Spell Canceller. Sorry about that. I almost said counselor. Ooh. The middle part is bent. Artifact Lancia. Vanity's Fiend. Majestic's Fiend. Let me show you that one again because I rushed through that one. Dino Wrestler Pangratops. Gamensel the Sea Turtle Kaiju. That's really nice. Alright, our first spell card. Mind Control. Wave Motion Cannon. Super Polymerization. Book of Eclipse. Silent Graveyard. Cosmic Cyclone. Called by the Grave. Our first trap card is Different Dimension Ground. Typhoon. Ooh. I actually like how Typhoon looks. I might keep that one. Forbidden Apocrypha. These are actually the first time I've seen these cards, so please understand that I will butcher these every now and then. Dimensional Barrier. That looks really cool. Lost Wind. Let me show that one again because I did rush through this one. Heavy Storm Duster. Royal Decree. Anti-Spell Fragrance. There can only be one. I want to see what this one is. Each player can only control one monster of each type. If a player controls 2 or more monsters of the same type, they must spend some of the GY so they can control no more than one of that type. I've never seen a GY, so this is very new to me. Solemn Strike. Wiretap. And the last card is Red Reboot. So let's look at the cards that I decided to keep, which is the first ones that comes with the box and one of the spell card. Nope, it's a trap card. Sorry about that. So Ghost, Gore, and Snow Rabbit. Its effect is when a monster on the field activates itself. When a monster on the field activates its effects, or a spell/trap card that is already faced up on the field activates its effect, quick effect. You can send this card from your hand or the field to the GY. I'm guessing GY is graveyard. Okay. Destroy that card on the field. You can only use this effect of Ghost, Gore, and Snow Rabbit once per turn. Ooh. Okay. Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries. It's a zombie tuner. With its effect, it states, if your opponent controls more monsters than you do, quick effect. You can discard this card, reveal one card from your extra deck, then look at your opponent's extra deck. Also banish all cards in their extra deck with the same name as that revealed card. Once you can only use this effect of Ghost Reaper and Winter Cherries once per turn. I mean, that's not bad. And I realize that their attacks are 0. So these are really poor cards. Their defense is really high, except for the last one, which is a 0, sadly. But, I mean, I wouldn't mind running this every now and then as a Halloween joke, but not as a main card deck or a main deck that I would use. Zombie Tuner, with its effect of the following. When a card or effect activates that include any of these effects, quick effect. You can discard this card, negate that effect, and do one of the following, I'm guessing. Add a card from the deck to the hand, special summon from the deck, send a card from the deck to the graveyard. You can only use this effect of Ash Blossom and Joyous Spring once per turn. I realize that's a bit fuzzy over here, so that's why I moved over here. A Zombie Tuner with effect of the following. And this is Ghost Bell and the Haunted Mansion. When a card or effect is activated that includes any of these effects, quick effect. You can discard this card, negate that activation. Add a card or cards from the graveyard to hand, deck or extra deck. Special summon a monster card or cards from the graveyard. Banish a card or cards from the graveyard. Ooh, that last one is kind of scary. You can use this effect of Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion once per turn. This one is Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. During either turn, except the end phase, quick effect. You can discard this card, apply this effect this turn. You can only use the effect of Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood once per turn. Each time your opponent special summons an effect monster during the main phase or battle phase, you gain LP, life points, equal to the monster's attack. If you did not gain life points by this effect, your life points are halved during the end phase. Ooh. That's really bad. This card is the Red Blossoms from Underroot. This is a Fiend effect card. This card states if this card is in your hand, you can target one spell or trap card in each graveyard, banish them, and if you do, special summon this card. If you contribute this card, then target one fusion synchro, XYZ, or link monster in either graveyard, banish that target, and if you do, special summon one monster from your graveyard with a different monster card type, fusion, synchro, XYZ, or link from that target. You can only use this effect of Red Blossom from Underroot once per turn. And the last card I will personally review is Typhoon, the trap card. Typhoon states target one face-up spell or trap card on the field. Destroy it. If your opponent controls two or more spell/trap cards, you can control no spell or trap cards. You can activate this card from hand. I mean, that seems fair. But that last line, that's gonna be fun when I play that. Alright guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video, this review Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Devastator deck. If you would like to see more unboxing or any type of video, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new around here. I do stream on Twitch, so if you guys want to see me stream any game, I will let you guys know. It's going to be posted on my Twitter when I announce when I start streaming. I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Once more, I am Silly Kitten. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!